That is one loud bird. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's 10 after 7 o'clock at night, and that bird's going to town. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, I love skincare and makeup, and I enjoy reviewing products. Today I'm going to be unboxing the New Beauty Testtube beauty subscription. This subscription, I always mess this part up. It's bi-monthly, so every other month. I paid for 1 year at a time, which is why I get messed up. So when you pay for a whole year, you get a discount. So mine's $24.95, I believe, every other month. If you only pay month by month, I want to say it's $29.95. Corrections will be on the screen. Ooh, it's cute. So you do get a little booklet magazine that shows the prices. And we got a big one outside the box. So anything that doesn't fit in the tube comes outside the box. And there are 3 products outside. By box, I mean the tube. This is what the tube looks like. Colors are lovely. Spring moving into summer colors. Alright, I'm going to set this aside. And we're going to take a look at what came outside the tube, because this thing is huge and I have no idea what it is. Collagen protein peptides for health and beautiful skin, pomegranate acai flavored. What is it? Like you put it, this is like a powder that you put into a, okay, it says it's a dietary supplement. You get 15.1 fluid ounces or 428 grams. Neocell collagen protein peptides feeds your health and beauty with collagen, clinically shown to visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Okay, well, sign me up. Although I'd rather take a pill than, I'm not into powdery drinks. I like water. Let's take a look. Oh. Okay. I'm not going to open this now, but I can see some powdery residue here. So I'm going to assume like you sprinkle it into water and then take a sip. Let's see what the magazine has to say. That is one loud bird. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's 10 after 7 o'clock at night, and that bird's going to town. Okay, let's... Here we go. What it is, collagen powder is the ultimate and easiest way to achieve glowing skin and healthy hair and nails from within. Okay. It says how to use. Mix 1 scoop of this dissolving powder into your coffee, tea, or smoothie for clinically proven results. Okay, now I'm excited because I only like plain water, like ice water. I hope it doesn't have a weird flavor. But if you can put this in your coffee and you don't taste it, I'll do that every day. Alright, I'm not mad at that because the outside stuff isn't helping my wrinkles as quickly as I would hope. So maybe ingesting something will help. Holy cow! This is $39.99, 40 bucks. Although it is pretty heavy and big, but damn. That's expensive for a dietary supplement. Alright, next item is, that was outside of the tube, is called Scaraway. It's a 100% silicone scar gel. That is an interesting product to get in a box. Okay, what it is, Scaraway is a clinically supported advanced treatment that dramatically improves the appearance of scars. The Scaraway is $24.99. What I don't know is if you can put it on your face. Oh, okay, there's a picture of a lady putting it on her face. So, I guess if you have like acne scars or just, I mean I have scars other places, but This may come in handy. I do have like a acne thing up there that's lingering. Okay, odd product, but I can see it being useful. No one likes to go out and buy that. Alright. The last item that was outside of the tube is this that feels too thick to be a skin cream. Okay, so this side says recharging and this says exfoliating. What is this? Okay, so it is a mask. Super thick and squishy and crinkly. Sorry about that. Let me stop speculating and let's read the booklet, okay? Okay, so it is a 3-step skincare kit because it says 1, 2, 3. So I thought maybe there are 3 pads in here. It's a 4-pack of a 3-step skincare. So I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's like a step 1 pouch, step 2 is down here, and step 3. So it's perforated, you tear it away, and each full thing has 3 steps in it, and there are 4 in here. 2 are for exfoliating, and 2 are for recharging. These masks are $4 each, and you get a 4-pack, so that would be $16 for this. I'm not mad at that. I'm really not into face masks, but if I was, I could see why that's in a box. So, and it's new and different. I've never seen a face mask with 3 separate little steps to get this to not be so this. Alright, so now on to the tube. And I always have trouble. Oh, it was easy that time. So this is what, pretty full tube. Let's get the first item here. It sounds fancy because it's French, but I don't know. I'm not familiar with this brand. This is a Mieux Hyaluronic Serum. Okay, Hyaluronic, sign me up. Serum, sign me up. Put the 2 together. Alright. Ooh, and it's in a dark bottle to keep light away. This is 30 milliliters, 1 ounce. Let's see what the card has to say. Seriously, bird? Comment down below if where you live, if you have noisy birds like I have outside on my deck. I don't know where that bird is, but it is loud. Alright, the Mieux Hyaluronic Serum is a skin plumping line filler that volumizes and transforms skin, leaving behind a dewy, flawless glow. Okay. If that statement does like 1/3 of what it says, sign me up. God, I hope this works. I loved every word in that sentence. Plumping line filler that volumizes and transforms skin, leaving behind a dewy, flawless glow. Sign mama up. This serum is $60. Okay. Next item. Oh. I don't do my nails. When it's non-stay-at-home order, I do get my toes done in a salon, and I go for a burgundy dark kind of red purple, not a neon hot pink. However, I will set this aside for a future giveaway. This is $9.99. I'm not even going to read the card. That was by the brand Orly, by the way. Alright, next item. What is this? Dr. Brandt. Okay, I love this brand. This is Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I didn't know Dr. Brandt made a primer. They're like an expensive skincare brand. Ooh. Fancy packaging. Okay, it's not safety sealed. And the box did say not for sale. Just saying. And you get this for a primer, you get 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. That seems pretty good. Let's see what the card has to say. It's a double duty primer that delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections. Okay, I love a good glow. And it fills pores. And it's Dr. Brandt. How much is this? $38 for Dr. Brandt. Well, for a primer that's a little pricey, but okay, $38. All right, next item. Holy cow. Do not grab it by the little plastic lid or that will happen. This is a vitamin enriched leave-in spray which coats hair with vitamin C, E, and calcium, instantly sealing in moisture and leaving hair frizz-free and detangled. Okay, normally if you've seen any of my other videos, like from January, February, beginning of March, I have a very short haircut and wouldn't care about a product. Due to COVID, thank you COVID, I'm looking like a hot mess and my hair is growing out. So a product like this 2 months ago I could care less about. I think I'm going to be excited to have this in my life. This I am not excited to have in my life at all. And this product is $18 and you get 6 ounces, 170 grams. So that is that. Next item, that's the last item, is this tube, which is by a brand called Terra&Co, which is a brilliant black toothpaste with activated charcoal. It's whitening, vegan, and mint. Okay, I've never seen a toothpaste that comes in packaging similar to a hand or foot cream. Oh, is this sealed? Yes, okay. It is sealed. Okay, I didn't want to open it, but I'm super curious if it's literally black because it's called Brilliant Black Toothpaste. But it says it's whitening. How can you whiten your teeth if you're putting black? Is this black? Why do they call it that? Why would a whitening toothpaste be black? Okay, it smells. I'm going for it. It's nice. It has a very light, minty. You can tell it's natural. We all need to brush our teeth, so this toothpaste is $25. If this really whitens my teeth, maybe, but that's expensive for toothpaste. Okay, let's recap what we got. We got expensive natural toothpaste. We got a lovely hyaluronic serum. We got Scaraway gel to treat scars. We got a spray leave-in vitamin infused hair conditioner. We got a 4-pack mask set. We got some fingernail polish in a color I will never use. We got a very nice skincare brand is putting out a primer. We got a dietary supplement that will help with collagen. So let me see if I can even attempt to hold all of this up. This is the best tube, in my opinion, that I've received. This is only my third one. The first one was meh. Last month was not good, and I was contemplating canceling. I still may cancel because I find I get better products, etc. from my other subscriptions. particularly FabFitFun. Check it out. I did my first unboxing and blown away. For Testtube, for $24.99 for 2 months, you get 8 products. This is the best one I've received so far. Much more skincare. I don't know that I need a $25 toothpaste, but this is the best one they've had so far. Let me know your thoughts. Do you subscribe to Testtube? Are you considering it? Do you have another beauty subscription that I don't unbox that I should check out? Let me know what that's called and how I can get it. I am super into beauty, skincare, and unboxings, so let me know. Alright, thanks everyone for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. And don't forget to comment about the bird chirping in the background. Good Lord! When I edit this video, I'm going to either be A, crazy that I keep talking about it and can't hear it, or I'm going to be, damn, that bird is loud. Bye, everyone.